Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is RAFTHELSA Vlogs. Here is my new project. This is a DIY headdress or a crown. Since it is a holy Three Kings celebration, I created this DIY crown made from the real autumn leaves and from a recycled cardboard. Look at this. This is my main material, the autumn leaves. And this autumn leaves is collected from the forest, and I wash it and dried it off and brush it with a liquid glue and sprinkle it with glitters like gold, red, green, pink, purple, and blue. So this cardboard I just cut out and form into a circle and fix together both ends in order to form a circle. Then the big leaves I just fix in the center, and the medium sizes I fix along the side of the circle, and in between of the center from here, both side of this and this is the center, so I fix the small one, the green and the pink, and I fix another big leaves in order to elevate the crown, in order to look like a real crown. So look at here guys, this is the color of the real leaves, the brown. So this is I collected this one from the forest and I bring home and clean it, and I create as a crown, as my DIY crown or a headdress. I fix this one with the use of a hot glue, and I cut out the edges of the leaves, and here in these sides, in order to hide the edges of these leaves, I fix around with the crystallize this one with the use of the hot glue in order to add beauty. And now look at here, this is now the transformation of the autumn leaves, and now it is already look like a real crown with sparkling glitters. So if you want to learn how to create this DIY crown or headdress, just watch my live tutorial that I have done today. Just go to my video gallery and click the live, and you can see this one how I created from my live tutorial. So please give a thumbs up, leave a comment in order to improve my project, and share this video. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so that you will be updated with all my new videos. So this is my first project for the new year 2021. So this is now the transformation of the waste material and transform into a unique crown or a headdress. This can be used as a headdress for the festival or a carnival. So you can copy this one guys. It's a free tutorial. Just visit my playlist on my YouTube channel, RAFTHELSA Vlogs. I have a lot of different DIY projects in my channel, so just watch my video tutorials and you can follow step by steps if you want to learn different projects for any occasion, for any seasons of the year. So to all my viewers and subscribers, thank you so much for watching and supporting RAFTHELSA Vlogs. Without you, I will not be continuing creating different projects and uploading more videos from my travel blogs. So this is the transformation of the real autumn leaves and a waste cardboard. This is a very cheap DIY projects, so you can share this one to your friends if you need to create a headdress for the carnival. Carnival is fast approaching. It will be next month, February. So you can start creating a headdress for your carnival costume or attire. So you can copy this DIY headdress or a crown. It is a very easy project and very costless. Just follow my video tutorial step by step and you will get to learn how to create this simple DIY headdress or a crown using recycled materials. I just want to share my skills and my talent. That is why I share my videos here in YouTube. I really appreciate if you love to learn my tutorial. So God bless everyone and keep safe, and once again Happy New Year, and let's pray to God that everything will gonna be alright. Bye bye. Don't forget to give a thumbs up. Ciao.